Hello student of class 12, this video is the continuation part of the plane. This is the fifth video. Find K for which the planes x plus ky plus 5z plus 2 equal to 0 and 3x minus 2y plus kz minus 1 equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other. It is given. Find the value of k for which two planes are perpendicular to each other. Solution part. Let the equation of the plane be ax plus by plus cz equal to d, and we know r dot n equal to a dot n, this is equal to d. Okay. As per problem, we have here this equation can be written in this way and this equation also can be written in this way. Okay. From here I can write n1 equal to if I write from first equation in this way, xi plus yj plus zk dot I plus kj plus 5k, this is capital K, ijk, this is the axis, and here this is k. So I am writing this equal to capital K and this equal to capital K. Okay, and this equal to small k. Here, this is given in the question. This equal to, that means r dot n. R dot n, this is equal to d, that is minus 2. So I will get x plus ky plus 5z equal to minus 2. That means here n1 equal to okay, this is first one, and second one is xi plus yj plus zk. This is capital K, I can write it in this way, this is capital K, and this is 3i minus 2j plus small k capital K, this is equal to 1. Okay. Here this is n1 and this is n2. This is n1, this is n2, and for perpendicular of two planes, when two planes are perpendicular to each other, then n1 dot n2, this is equal to 0. We have to prove it. So I will write n1 dot n2 equal to I plus kj plus 5 capital K dot 3i minus 2j plus k capital K, this is equal to 0. From here n1 dot n2 equal to 0. From here I will get the value of k. Okay, 3 minus 2k plus 5k, this is equal to 0. When two planes are perpendicular to each other, then n1 dot n2 equal to 0. From here I will get it, and 3 equal to minus 3k, so k equal to minus 1. And for the value of k, these two planes are perpendicular to each other. Okay, I can tell it. Next sum is a plane meets the coordinate axes at L, M, N respectively, such that the centroid of the triangle LMN is 1, minus 2, 3. Find the equation of the plane. Given question is plane meets the coordinate axes at L, M, N respectively such that the centroid of the triangle LMN is this. Find the equation of the plane. Solution. I am going to the solution part, and this one is, let the equation of the plane be x by a plus y by b plus z by c, this is equal to 1. Coordinate of intercepts on x axis is a, and the coordinate of a is a0, 0, and the coordinate on this is x axis, this is on y axis is b, coordinate of b is 0, b 0, on z axis is coordinate c, whose coordinate is 0, 0, c respectively. Okay. So the coordinates of the centroid, this is LMN, this is L, M and N. Okay. So the centroid, this is given. So the centroid of the triangle, coordinates of the centroid of the triangle MN is LMN triangle is a plus 0 plus 0 by 3, 0 plus b plus 0 by 3 and 0 plus 0 plus c by 3. This is the coordinate of the centroid. That means a by 3, b by 3 and c by 3. This is the centroid point, coordinate of the centroid. Okay. And it is given that the coordinate of the centroid is a by 3 equal to 1. That means a equal to 3, b by 3 equal to minus 2. So b equal to minus 6 and c by 3 equal to 3, that means c equal to 9. So the required equation of the plane is x by 3 plus y by minus 6 plus z by 9, this is equal to 1. This is the required equation. This is the required equation of the plane. Now I think you will understand the problem easily. Okay, I am ending here.